I grew up in a really small town in western Massachusetts, but I actually knew I wanted to be a lawyer since age 6. Despite not having any family members in law, I have a printout still from 3rd grade. It says when I grew up I wanted to be a lawyer. I always loved to argue, to prove my point, to do what was right, and to advocate for other people who didn't have a voice. I have played sports my whole life, so I have that competitive nature. It's just instilled in me. So while I'm very compassionate and caring, inside I have that tenacity, that grit, that persistence. And so while I look nice and I'm kind and caring, inside I have that inner fight mentality, and I truly let that come out when it comes to fighting against the insurance companies for my clients.
My boxing experience helped me with the firm with discipline and having that fighter's mentality. On a day-to-day basis, dealing with the insurance companies, they can be an absolute nightmare. And Ashley, she's a fighter. She'll fight all the way for justice. She's got that knockout power.
It was a Monday morning. I was headed to work. I was crossing over an intersection, and on the right, I see this car dash over off the freeway. He came 3 lanes over in front of me. Next thing I know, I'm in the middle of the street and cars are flying on the side of me. I was completely immobile at first. The biggest thing was my back injury. I have 3 bulging discs in my back right now. All I knew was my car was totaled. I was in a lot of pain, so I'm like, what's next? When I hired Rawlins Law, Ashley told me that she would be there for me. Just appreciated her being there and talking to me about it and making me feel comfortable and like I wasn't alone in this scary situation. I would definitely 100% recommend Rawlins Law to anyone that I know. They were just there for me, and that's an awesome feeling.
I was coming out of a parking lot in a yellow Camino, across the double yellows to try to make a light, and he just hit me from the side. I had a really bad headache, and then my neck started really getting tight the next few days. I couldn't play ball anymore, I couldn't go to the gym, and then I went to go see my primary doctor. He goes, yeah, you have a concussion. I would definitely recommend Rawlins Law Firm because when I walked in here, she was right here with open arms, and she really made me feel a lot better. The relationship that I have with her is kind of like if I ever need something down the road and I call her, even though it's like years and years later, she'd probably answer the phone.
I don't care about a denial letter or every excuse the insurance company throws at me. I'm going to persist, and I won't take no for an answer, and I'll do whatever I can to fight for you. If you've been injured and you call Rawlins Law or you call me directly, I'm happy to walk you through the process from beginning to end. I'll give you my personal cell phone number. I'm happy to come and meet you anywhere. I'm reliable, relatable, and I'm here to serve you.